Ira Gershwin chose to reference tomatoes, potatoes, pajamas, and oysters when he wrote the lyrics to the Clash of Cultures classic Let's Call the Whole Thing Off back in 1937. Had he been working more recently, he might have sneaked in a reference to compact Ford crossovers. Because while we say escape, Europeans say Kuga, even though what we're talking about is pretty much the exact same car. There are differences. Europe market Kugas are built in Spain and typically ship with diesel engines, while our escapes come from Kentucky and burn gasoline. But now there's set to be another point of distinction, with those snooty Yew-Row-Peens launching what's meant to be a luxury version, the Kuga Vignale. Unlikely as it seems, Ford of Europe is deadly serious about its new Vignale sub-brand, planning to create luxe iterations of everything from the subcompact Fiesta to the minivan-like S-Max. Having sold off both Jaguar and Land Rover when times were tougher, Ford no longer has any swankier brand in Europe. Lincoln has never had a presence on the continent, and Vignale models are meant to fill some of the gap. We're told that they are positioned above the existing model hierarchy and are aimed at customers who otherwise would go for a premium brand. As you'd expect, the Kuga Vignale gets plusher trim and more standard equipment than its workaday cousin, and indeed it comes fitted with pretty much every available option. But it also will be sold differently, from no-hassle lounges inside select Ford dealerships to the offer of pickup and drop servicing and even a concierge service that claims to be capable of getting tickets for sold-out shows. These perks are similar to those offered to buyers of Lincoln Black Label models in the US. The company says that Vignale variants will undergo extra quality checks during assembly as well, which might make buyers of lesser Kugas wonder just what Ford is willing to overlook on their cars.